13 divided by 4. Here 4 is a divisor, so we need multiplication table of 4. 4 times 0, 0. 4 times 1, 4. 4 times 2, 8. 4 times 3, 12. 4 times 4, 16. 4 times 5, 20. 4 times 6, 24. To find out the multiplication table of 4, just add 4 with the previous step. 0 plus 4, 4. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. 12 plus 4, 16. 16 plus 4, 20. 20 plus 4, 24. 4 goes into this 1 how many times? 0 times, as 1 is less than 4. So 0 times 4, 0 times 4, 0. Subtract, you are getting 1. Bring down the next digit. Now 13. 4 goes into 13 how many times? 4 times 16, which is greater, so 3 times, that gives you 12. 3 times 4, 12. Subtract, you are getting 1. So 0, 3 means 3 actually. So 3 remainder 1 is our answer. But if you want to write your answer in decimal form, then take here decimal, add number of zeros, bring down the first 0. But before the 0 there is a decimal. Decimal must come to the quotient directly. 4 goes into 10 how many times? 3 times 12, which is greater than 10, so 2 times. 2 times 4, 8. Subtract 2. Bring down the next 0. 4 goes into 20 how many times? 4 goes into 20 5 times. Write 5. 5 times 4, 20. Subtract 0. So our answer is 3.25.